All right, we are here at Macy's in Mayfair Mall, and I wonder who that is there.
Good question.
Yep. Yeah.
Going down?
Yep, that's going down.
We're probably getting this one.
All right. All right.
It's a few days before Christmas, so these are going to be pretty busy.
Yep. Christmas shopping.
I wonder if one of the escalators broke.
Wait, one of the escalators broke somewhere?
I don't know.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 2? Oh, you going up, sir?
Yeah, just one floor.
Okay. Here you go. All right. Our cab view. By the way, this is gonna be a retake on the iPhone 12 Pro I just got recently. All right, should we go up again or get the other one? All right. We'll probably come back down here to get the other one.
Okay. Get this up there, we can just get it there.
Okay. Oh, I think it went down. So, yep.
Yep.
So let's go down. Send it back.
Perfect.
Yep. All right. Oh, someone called it, so. Look at this button here.
What? They replaced it?
Yeah, they replaced it with a VR button.
That's news to me.
Yep. Oh, it's down here already.
Let me get a picture of that real quick.
Yeah, I got a pic of that already.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Yeah, that's brand new.
Yep.
Did they replace the button on the second floor?
No, it's still HT Premium.
Wonder why they replaced the one down here then.
Probably too much uses or something.
Down here?
Yeah, probably down here.
But this is the creepy one of the two.
Yeah, this one's not even that great. I'm gonna be honest.
The one button's all loose on this one.
Let me see it. Kinda. Alright. I remember this one making like so many noises, like probably from the shaft. I'm not sure what it was. Oh, someone called it. You want to get off here? Or? Sure. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. There it goes in. What do you guys say?
That's it.
That's it. Bye. Have fun in North Carolina, by the way.
Thanks.
You're welcome.